Hey guys, what's up? Today's lesson is about threads. If you ever try to do a loop in a form, you probably, depending on the type of code you run, you probably will see some type of freezing in your program, sometimes even crashing. That's because a loop runs in the main thread uh, of your software. So if I do a loop like int x equals 0, let's put a very high value. If I do something like this, what can I do that's interesting? Well, I will sum everything, every number of x until it reaches I don't even know what the hell this number is. 10 million. 10 million? 10 million, yeah. So this will sum every digit between 0 and 10 million, and it will display in a message box. Well, this is not a very hard thing for the computer to do, but it will take a while. So when you run it, when I press the button, well, it actually didn't take any time at all. Let's increase this a billion, that's more like it. So you'll see that I can't do anything until the loop stops, the loop finishes. That's because this code is running in the main thread of the program. I can't do anything, I can close the forum. So that's kind of a bad thing if you are making a user-friendly software, and that's when we use threads. So to use threads, we will create a method right here. Well, it's basically doing the same thing. Now, if I call this method in the event of the click of the button, the same thing will happen. It will freeze exactly the same way. So we will do. So to use a thread, we do thread. You need to add the namespace system.threading, otherwise it won't work. So if you write thread, nothing will show up. That's because you need That's because you need to add the namespace. So you can write, or you can just add your namespace. Thread t1 equals new thread. Sorry. And now we pass our method, which is sum. You don't need to use the parentheses, you just use the semicolon. And we need to start our thread. So we do t1.start. Now if we run the code and we press the button, you see that I can still move the forum, I can do anything, it won't freeze the program again. I can do multiple clicks and it will and it will run without freezing my window. So that's simple. It's a very basic thing that a lot of people don't know about. If you guys have any questions, just ask me in the comments. See you next time.